Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is Bali. This is my room. It's right next to this courtyard. And let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Courtyard. And we're just gonna walk around a little bit and I'll show you what's around here. The videotape and show all this kind of cool stuff. I remember reading some things about it, and I wish I need to read more. There's certain ways that everything is set up, and then you also have like little offerings right here, or offerings here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Hello. I'm gonna film and walk around and see what it's like. It's so beautiful. Like especially there's so much detail. Ceremony. You got the little offerings and like these things right here and these. What's the name of these? What is it? Matan? Chanan? Yeah. Chanan. So chanan. And every day these are always fresh. I'm gonna walk around and film and hello.
Nice.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna walk around and oh, look at that. So okay. Oh, this is that one. And we're gonna see what this is too. So I think this is also part of it. So it's all kind of yeah, it's so beautiful. And we got some more back here. Yeah, I think this is, I can't remember, it's another person's place that looks like. I can't remember the thing, but I think that it's always like written in a certain way. Like in the Let's see what else I can film.
No.
Okay. Yeah, actually this is the whole hostel. So I guess we'll just film this whole thing. So there's a kitchen, you can get some drinks here, and I'm gonna film outside too and see. So that's me. So yeah, this is the so there it is right there. If you want to try to stay here, you can. And it's so beautiful. Offerings. I would just go out to the main street, and there's a restaurant right here too. Yeah, so you got lots of stuff everywhere here. And it's so beautiful. Indonesia is such a beautiful place. And Bali is, actually I like the whole country. Even Jakarta has like really cool stuff that you wouldn't really think so naturally. All right. Thank you. Hello. What are your names? Putu. Lin. Putu and Lin. All right.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Are they sisters?
No.
Friends?
Friends.
Co-workers?
Friends.
Oh, okay. From Bali?
Yeah.
And both are Balinese?
Yeah.
Or Javanese? Balinese?
Balinese.
Oh, that sounds good. All right. It's so beautiful. You guys take care of everything so well, and it's so nice. Oh, I didn't realize this restaurant is the same.
Yeah.
It's also part of the place.
Food.
Oh, okay. So if you order here, it comes from here.
Same.
Oh, okay. Terima kasih. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. So it's a really beautiful place. I wonder if we should ask anything else. So yeah, this is a amazing little place. And this is where I'm staying right here. So this is my space. So yeah, I really like it a lot. There we go.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.